Hi there and welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a prickly pear punch using our prickly pear syrup. This drink is definitely going to remind you of the summertime. So when you're ready, let's get started. So the first steps will be adding our prickly pear syrup, just 1 pump, our pineapple, and some lime juice to our shaker here and muddling it. Next, we're going to add in our tequila and triple sec. Throw in some ice and shake. So before we pour our drink into our glass, I'm just going to garnish the rim with a little lime juice here and some sugar. Beautiful. And we're gonna fill our glass with some crushed ice and just strain our drink on top of this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do make this prickly pear punch at home, be sure to tag us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. Make sure you hit the little notification bell below to never miss out on a new Amoretti recipe. And make sure to sign up for our newsletter so you can stay up to date with all of our promos and discounts. Bye, we'll see you next time.